If you had to describe Bodyliner in one sentence to another painter, what would you say?
If you're looking for something reliable, this is it. From like, I want to say 2012 on, we were trying to figure out how to paint parts that aren't necessarily meant to be painted, or maybe in some cases that shouldn't be painted.
What's your name? Where are you based? And what do you do day to day?
I'm Pete. I'm in Belleville, Ontario, Canada. I work for Performance Sales and Accessories, and we build lifted custom trucks.
When it comes to our Flex paint or Flex Clear, how have you seen it holding up compared to other paints?
Oh, night and day. Like the biggest thing with our trucks is, everything has offset wheels. We're putting mud tires on a lot of trucks, and a lot of people around here are driving gravel roads, and it doesn't take long until the sides of the trucks are chewed up. So that was our big focus on getting into the Flex Clear, and we're definitely seeing a big difference there.
Well, I know you recently did a frame that I saw, like, Flex paint,
Yeah.
chassis armor, they're one and the same. What did you think about laying that on there? I know you were telling me a little bit about it.
Yeah, so like primarily what we were doing in the past, like everything gets blasted, whether it's frames, whatever. This was a clean frame, so it didn't get blasted. We just stripped the oil coating off of it, sanded it out, and gave it a good heavy coat of the body liner epoxy. So this truck was actually already built, and we did a second frame off on it. So I was kind of nervous. So when I went in there, I was like, well, I'm just going to put on as much as I can in one coat, and we'll see where we are and see what I have to work with and whatever. And I went in and hosed it on. And
Yeah.
I had a fair amount of nibs in it. Like if you're priming a frame and sanding a frame, then you can get it a lot cleaner. We weren't trying to sand it again. We were just trying to go wet on wet with it and get it done. So I figured I'll hammer it on, I'll see where I'm at. And I put the first coat on and came back in, and the majority of the nibs were gone. I didn't get a run. I wasn't getting any sort of solvent pop. Not that you'd see it that fast, but sometimes if you put it on a little thick, you might see it after a first coat like that. But I'd given it a good solid hour, and then I went in there and just hosed it again, and it buried everything.
Nice.
And I wasn't expecting that at all. And it lost no gloss. Like I really put a lot of material on. I don't remember what it was, but I think each coat I was 850 milliliter cups.
Yeah. So you got a lot of material on there.
Yeah. And it came out great. I couldn't have been happier with it. My boss, Terry, the next morning, he was blown away.
Well, I mean, that's perfect, man. And all of our stuff build is strength, right? It kind of gives it that ability to absorb.